Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX8406M and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around DS screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Look at the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it is a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector straight out, ensuring you don't tug on the wires. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and place it in the same position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Ailing it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is back in place, power on your Asus UX8406M and enjoy your newly replaced battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face, ensuring a hassle-free experience with no calls, no travel required. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.